Importing drawings and custom buildings. Drawings can be imported directly into the tabletop as a flat terrain. Various file formats are supported for import, including JPG and PNG images. To start the process, click on the world icon on the top toolbar and then click on the Import button within the Import Drawing section. In this video, we will be importing a drawing which has been saved in a PNG file format. After locating the file, click the Open button. A preview window will load which shows the drawing. The Area of Interest button will allow you to select the area of interest which needs to be imported. If none is specified, then the entire drawing will be imported. Before clicking the Import button, real-world scale information will need to be provided so that the tabletop can generate an appropriately sized terrain. Bring your attention to the Area of Interest Size panel. The width and height are currently unknown. After clicking the Area of Interest button, you will draw a box around the desired area. You can now specify one of the real-world lengths of the box in either meters or feet. The Area of Interest Size panel now has real-world values inside of it. Another way to specify dimension information is to use the Measurement tool. After clicking the Tool button, we can draw a line for which a real-world length is known. You can now specify this length inside of the pop-up window. When importing a drawing, you may want to invert its colors. This is useful when the selected drawing is using a light color palette, or, if you prefer a dark color palette, or vice versa. Click the Invert button to achieve this. Once you are satisfied with the area of interest, scale information, and color, click the Import button. The tabletop will generate a flat terrain and will paint the selected drawing onto it. You can now start to drop objects onto the drawing and build out the scene. Site plans and urban planning drawings will often contain building footprints within them. The custom building object is ideal for extruding these building footprints into their 3D counterparts. Let's do this now. Under Street and Other Parts within the item catalog, there is a custom building object which can be dropped. Once dropped, you'll notice a simple building with 90-degree angles and a default material. We will now customize this building by specifying the shape of its footprint and then indicating how tall the building is. Start by clicking the Custom Shape button. Similar to drawing out the shape of a ground, we will hold down the Shift key and drop markers using the left mouse button. Notice how we are dropping markers around a building footprint within the drawing. While doing so, the length and angle of each segment is being shown. Once the shape of the desired footprint has been created, click the Done button to construct the building. You can specify the height of the building in either meters or feet. We will specify a height of 250 feet, then click the Apply Height button. You can also specify a custom material. Turn on the Custom Material toggle, then select a material from the drop-down. In another video, we will show how custom materials can be created within the Material Manager.